In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to add a dynamic touch to their Google Sites project by featuring their Instagram content. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Sites in the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the official website as the top result. Click on that link to get started. If you're not familiar with Google Sites, it's a fantastic tool offered by Google that allows you to create and edit your own websites with ease. Once you've landed on the Google Sites homepage, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll have access to all your existing sites. Choose the site where you want to embed your Instagram feed. If you haven't created a site yet, you can easily start a new one from the Templates section. After selecting your site, look for the Insert button on the right-hand side of the screen. This is your go-to for adding various elements to your site. Click on it, and you'll find a range of options. Now, select the Embed option. This feature allows you to embed code or a URL into your site. Next up, you'll have the choice between pasting a URL or using an embed code. In most cases, you'll want to use an embed code for Instagram feeds. To get this, visit your Instagram page, or that of the Instagram feed you want to embed. Ensure you have permission from the account holder to share their content. From your Instagram profile page, find an Instagram post you'd like to include and click on the three dots for more options. Select Embed and copy the embed code provided. Head back to Google Sites and paste this embed code into the space provided. At this point, you can adjust the dimensions and placement of your widget to fit your page design perfectly. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on Insert. Your Instagram feed is now part of your Google site, providing visitors with immediate access to your dynamic content. And there you have it, an engaging way to enhance your Google site. By following these steps, you can easily showcase your Instagram aesthetics alongside other content on your website. Remember, sharing is a great way to bring your social media presence and website content together, giving visitors a comprehensive view of your creativity and brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Happy site building!